Hello and welcome. Today we'll be practicing join using my SQL workbench. And for this join, we'll be using this book store database. Under this book store database, we have table for books, customers, inventory, stock, orders, staffs, and suppliers. So for us to practice join, there's one condition that needs to be met, and that's the fact that there must be a presence of primary key and foreign key. What do I mean by primary key? Let's say two different tables must have one similar column. Yes, that's just the basic definition. So let's say for this book table, there is author. For us to join the book table with customer table, there must be a column for authors in the customer table also. So let's see. So as you can see, these are the columns under the book table. So and the columns there are ISBN, which happens to be the primary key, title, authors, the general, price, stock quantity, publisher, and dates added. So let's check the columns under the customers table. So if you check the columns under the customers table, you see customer ID, full name, email, phone number, delivery address, and the registration date. Looking at book tables and their columns, you can see that they did not share any similar columns. So that implies that we cannot join both tables together. Although there are cases where we can join the tables together, but for this level we cannot join it together. So let's proceed and check the inventory. Let's check the orders. Let's check books and orders. So by looking at it, we can see that there's presence of ISBN here, ISBN column in orders table, and there's also ISBN column in the books table, which implies that we can actually combine, we can join the books and orders table together. So let's say we want to join both tables together. We want to select, and let's say we want to select some columns from the table. So we just proceed to write our column. Let's say we want to select authors and publisher. Now let's select author and the title of the bookstore. So come to the orders table to check. Let's say we want to select, what should we select? Let's select order ID and total amount. Let's select order ID and total amount in the orders table. So these are the parameters, these are the columns that we want to extract from both tables. We want to select the title from the books table, we want to select authors from book table, we want to select order ID and total amount from orders table. So what are we going to do next? Let's apply our brush so that it will be more explanatory and more visible. After that, we then proceed to try and put together. So this is where we actually need this is why it is very important for us to have primary key and foreign key, like for book table to share one similar column together. Now let's see. So as you can see, I said earlier that there is presence of ISBN in the order table and there is presence of ISBN in the books table also. So we use the ISBN column to join both together. So proceed by saying books join orders on books .ISBN equal to orders. So as you can see, we have a table. We have a new table is formed, and the new table contains all the parameters that are actually selected from both tables, which is the title, author, order ID, and total amount. So should you learn anything from this tutorial, do well to like and subscribe, turn on the notification. Anytime I release new video, will be notified.